What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you a very advanced, super advanced affiliate marketing method that pretty much nobody else is talking about. And this is a very unique method, and it's also very effective, and it's pretty much unlike any other method that you've seen before, but nevertheless it's a very effective method. All right, so let's get started. So before I show you the method, I want to just explain to you something very important. So remember, we have this chart here, right? This is kind of the Bible of affiliate marketing. This is very important. We have a visitor, we have a traffic source, okay? And we have all of these interesting things. Now remember, guys, engagement is very important. I never direct link, I never recommend to direct link. And also landing pages, websites, they're getting a little bit old, right? Because people are used to that kind of things. People want value, right? They want you provide them with value in exchange for them buying a product or service that you're recommending, right? And that is why we have this part here. And so, I have this website, tool, brand, a bunch of things, really. But these are very common because everybody's doing them. And what you want to be doing is you want to be doing some of these other things, right? So, yeah, you can build a website, you can build a brand, you can do engagement. Engagement is very good. I talked about engagement a lot in some of my previous videos. But what's even better is a tool, is an actual interactive app, an app that does something for them, an app that provides some value. Remember, guys, the more value you provide, the more money you're going to make, right? There's like a saying of some sort, is that if you want to get rich, help somebody else get rich, right? And I firmly believe in that saying. This is like the saying that I live by, because people, they're looking out for their own best interest, right? So if I help you become rich, I can become rich in the process as well. So I firmly believe in that, and I recommend you guys to believe in that as well. And so one of the best ways to kind of act on that mindset, on that methodology, is by providing a lot of value. And one of the best ways of providing value is building some kind of a tool that helps users achieve their goals and missions, and what exactly what they want to do. So let me explain to you what I mean. If I go on this site right here, this is instant domain search. I don't know if you've seen the site before, but this is a very popular site. I use it all the time. I probably use it several times a day whenever I'm looking on a cool domain for a new project. In fact, like, if I have an idea, I'm actually starting a new YouTube channel right now, and I wanted to register a domain name. And the first thing that I did is I went on the site and just to see if that domain is available. So it's really easy, okay? If you type something like news.com, you're gonna see that it's taken, right? You see it's red here, right? But if I type something like news 24 365, okay, that's also taken, right? How about news 2020? Okay, so news 2020 is taken, but they're selling it. But if I type random numbers, as you can see, it's green, which means this is available. And this is a revolutionary tool because it's really easy to discover a domain name. Because what other options you have? You can go to the domain register, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, and start typing names there. But it's all complicated. It's not interactive. It's not as fast. It's not as easy to use. And it doesn't give you options, right? Like, for instance, let's say news2020.com is taken, but all of these are available, right? And so it gives you a lot of things. You can pronounce, you can view site, you can export this CSV. You can even buy the domain name if you want. If you really want that domain name, if you think news2020.com is worth over $13,000, you can buy it here. And the reason I'm telling you all this is because this tool is giving me a lot of value, right? So it's natural if I'm looking, let's say, for news James, something like this, that's available. Let's say I want to register something like this. I can even pick a register, right? I don't need to, I can click on this and I can buy it at GoDaddy, or I can click here and I can buy it at Namecheap, at Google Domains, name.com, all of these other registers, and with no cost, with no additional cost to me. But they're still going to be making money, right? They're not doing this for free. And how are they going to be making money? Well, they're going to be making money with affiliate marketing, right? And this is a great method because it's kind of a win-win for everybody, right? I come here, I like the site, I'm getting value. It's letting me do what I want to do, but it's letting me do in a very effective way. This is really why I like the site. And they are getting a cut of it because they're recommending me to a domain register, right? So if I go to buy at GoDaddy, it's going to be an affiliate link 100%. So take a look at this one. So if I type instant domain search inside similar web, I can see that they're getting quite a bit of traffic, right? Take a look at this one. 360,000 visits in April alone. And then in January of this year, they had over 500,000 visits, 630,000, right? And you can bet that they're making a ton of money from affiliate marketing because people don't go there just to, just to browse around. Yeah, some people do, but most people go there. They want to buy the main name because it makes it really easy for them to do so. Because the natural step is for me to buy it at GoDaddy. Yeah, I can click on this. I can buy it at some of these other registers. I can even go to Shopify. And if I sign up for an account, they're going to be making a ton of money from Shopify's affiliate program. And that is because all of these sites, right, where people can register domain name, can get hosting, can start a business, all of these things, they have really, really good affiliate marketing programs. It's a lot better than CPA marketing where you're making, $2 a lead or $3 a lead or up to $5 a lead, right? If you go to GoDaddy, if you Google for GoDaddy affiliate program, right, you can go in here, affiliate programs, right? So here you are at GoDaddy's affiliate program, earn cash from sales when you promote GoDaddy on your site. You can scroll down and they're going to have various commission structure, right? So you can join now. You can take a look. There's the earn money. There's a reseller program. There's the earn money with GoDaddy. They have all of these kinds of programs, and you can learn more about this program after you sign up. You can take a look. They have these. They're going to have a very, very fat commission structure. And the more people you refer to them, the more money you're going to be making. And same thing with Namecheap affiliate program, right? Here I Google for Namecheap affiliate program. We're going to go in here and we're going to scroll down, become an affiliate. And you can kind of learn how much money you're going to make, right? High conversion, quick and easy setup, regular payouts. And you can get an idea, right? And you can enroll in 3 places, right? You can work directly with them. Still have questions, commission rates. Let's take a look at their commission rates right here. Well, so we're getting 20% on domain registers, hosting packages 35%. Remember, guys, it's not just the domain register, right? This is actually they have various upsells. So if I go to Namecheap, they're going to try to upsell. I actually use Namecheap for a lot of my domains, really, really like them. And they always try to upsell me various services, right? So it's not just the domain name. They upsell me all these things. And so you can make a ton of money, right? So my point is, this site is making a ton of money because they're in a business where people are starting businesses. And whenever you're starting businesses, there's a lot of money flowing because you want to invest in your business. You always got to invest something in order to have a business. And so why am I telling you? Why am I showing you the site? And that is because this site, you can have a site such as this one, right? You can actually go out and you can actually purchase a script that does exactly that. So for instance, if I Google for instant domain search script, I have various results, right? Obviously, I have unstoppable domains. I have some Google search ads here. I have Google. But if you scroll down, you have instant domain search PHP script from Code Canyon. We're going to open that up. And this is what it looks like, right? We're on this page here, and this is Envato Market. They sell a bunch of scripts, PHP scripts, things like that. And this is the script right here, instant domain search script. It's $31, and it does exactly what the main site does. How do I know? Because I actually have that script, right? This is the site that I'm running right now, right? And this is the script that I have installed. And so if you Google for something like news.com, look, it works exactly like the real site. I mean, obviously the UI is a little bit different, but the functionality is pretty much the same, right? Take a look at this one. I have news.com and it's showing me, see in red, it's all taken. And I can click buy, and that's going to redirect to a domain register, and I will be getting a commission because I'm going to have the affiliate link, right? So for instance, if I Google for something like news2020.com, look at this one. It's automatic. And right away I see that this is taken, this is available, this is all of this. And it even gives me suggestions, right? It even gives me some suggestions, which is a nice little feature, okay? It has headlines 2020, it has all of these other suggestions that I can go and buy. And it's only giving me suggestions that are available. And take a look at this amazing script, right? I can actually go to the admin panel, right? I can go in here, and as you can see, I'm in the admin panel, right? I can go to the TLD settings. I can see, what kind of stuff I can show them. .com, .net, .org. This is the WHOIS server, the price. I can set up a query tool, right? I can go in here. I have analytics. I have ad settings, I have currency settings. All of this is in my admin panel. And it's a pretty good script for only $31 because it allows me to do a lot of things, right? I can scroll down, I can go to admin settings, and I can also go to whois settings, right? Whois URL automatically will be replaced with the main name in search results, right? This is the whois settings. And I can also go to general settings. I can change the logos, TLD settings. I can change, I have various actions, so I can click on this. And look at this one, TLD affiliate link. TLD stands for top level domain. So this is stuff like .com, .net, etc., etc. And so as you can see, I have an affiliate link. The main name will be automatically replaced with the main name. So right now we have a GoDaddy affiliate link, right? The main to check, etc., etc. And this is an incredible, incredible tool that you can go out and you can provide value. And you can advertise this tool on Facebook. You can advertise this on Bing ads. You can advertise it on Google. You can go out using the free traffic sources as well. Lots and lots of things. You can combine it with a funnel, with some of the other things that I talked about on the videos, right? You can combine it with a funnel. So whenever somebody wants to look up a domain name, you can just forward them to your own tool. And I have this tool hosted on one of my hosting sites. It's a self-hosting tool. And so if you want to host this tool, you will have to sign up. You can simply sign up for something like Bluehost, and you can host, a ton of sites on this. And one of the sites you can have is a tool like this one, right? Really, really cheap, nice investment, and you can get started. It's not an affiliate link. You can just go out, you can find a similar tool. You don't even need to use this specific tool. I just want to show you the method. So if you go back to this Code Canyon here, right? And we can basically clear this, right? And we're still in the code category, right? We have PHP scripts, and we can go to add-ons, right? We can go in here, code all PHP scripts, and you're going to see popular items, for instance. I can click, and we have all of these tools. And take a look at this, an active e-commerce. We have powerful open CRM. And these are tools that allow people to do various things. Look at this, multi-restaurant food ordering, right? You can forward those orders to places like Uber Eats or DoorDash or some of the other places, and you're going to be getting a commission because they all have commission programs, right? They all have the consumer, from the consumer end, commission programs. So if I want to order something on them, on this service, I can just forward the order to Uber Eats, or I can just forward to DoorDash or some of the other services. Look, we have SEO tools, right? A to Z SEO tools. This is incredible because I can just forward this service to something like ahrefs.com, right? I can forward to ahrefs.com. I can forward it here, or I can forward to SEMrush.com, which is another really popular tool here, and they have an affiliate program. So if you scroll down, if you go for affiliate, look at this one. I can scroll down. They have an affiliate program, right? So I can install this tool here. Take a look at this one, right? I can go back here, and I can install this A to Z tools that allows people to do some kind of, web page link building, or finding out some top ranking terms, SEO ranking, or the backlinks, stuff like that. And then whenever they want to do the actual stuff, the actual process, I can forward them to this affiliate program, right? And they're actually part of ShareASale, and you can actually learn more about it, right? You can actually learn more about it. And believe me, they're going to be paying a ton of stuff because this is a business tool. Let's go back and see what else do we have. So we have this tool here. It's $31. You can purchase it. There's a live preview. It's an Envato product, so you're going to be having lots and lots of great support, lots of great things you're going to have there. But you can go back and you can take a look at all of these tools. And remember, guys, the tool that we're looking for, this tool does not need to do everything. It doesn't need to be an elaborate program. It doesn't need to actually be the actual service. It just needs to do something and then redirect the user to another site that allows them to do more, to provide more value, right? And you can find all of these scripts here, and it doesn't even need to be on Code Canyon. You can go back. So for instance, if I execute this Google search here, instant domain search script, I can see that there's actually the vendor here, Excel scripts here. There's Code Canyon, and there's going to be other sites that sell various scripts, right? And let's say you find another script. You want a script that does food ordering. You can actually do that, food delivery or food online food ordering scripts. You can do that, and you can see there's PHP Jabbers. There's another site. This looks like a vendor of various scripts. We have Code Canyon. We have another site. We have all of these ads, and you can actually install the script. It's actually a one-click install. It took me like 5 minutes to install the script on my site because it comes with all of these instructions, and you actually set it up. It's actually as easy to install as WordPress, right? WordPress is like a wizard where you actually set it up, you go to a URL and just follow directions. So anybody can do it. My mom can install it. Anybody can install it. Very, very simple. And this is a super amazing method because you can go out and you can build value, right? So remember this diagram that we have here, right? Where you're going to get the traffic source, and then you're going to have that. If you want ideas for traffic sources, check out my playlist. I made lots and lots of videos on various traffic sources, so you're never going to have an issue finding traffic. But in this method, right, I call this guerrilla marketing because we are actually providing value. We're actually going out and we are actually providing value with user. And we are kind of the gateway, right? We're showing them something. And if they want to take action, if they want the actual action, they need to go somewhere else. So the way you want to think about it, it's kind of like a web page, but it's an interactive web page. We're not registering anything. We're not doing ordering. We're not taking money. We're not doing credit card processing. We're not really doing anything. And that is kind of what you want to be thinking, right? So when you're going to be browsing this, you want to take a look and you want to see if there is a script that allows the user to add value to whatever they're trying to do. But at the end, you can redirect it to another site, and on that site, you're going to be getting a commission. So there's lots and lots of tools that do this. This is just a very, very quick example, simply because I use this site several times a day. If there was another site I was using several times a day, I would have shown you that other site. But this site I use several times a day, and I love this site, and I'm perfectly fine with them getting a commission because they are providing so much value here. All right, guys, so take a look at this one. Just simply Google for something like online food ordering script, or you can just Google instant domain search script. I actually had no idea that scripts like this exist, simply because I thought that, hey, they coded this and it's very hard to do and nobody else would do it. But yeah, they coded it. They actually built this in-house, or maybe they hired somebody to do it. I don't know who's the owner. I don't know who are the people behind it. But, just like with anything, whenever, there's a product that has a lot of value, there's going to be demand for that product. You can bet that somebody out there is going to go out and build this product and is going to sell it, right? So it becomes kind of this white label, private label solution, because you can take that product and you can build a site around it, right, with the license whenever you're going to purchase this product. And there's a lot of these scripts. Take a look at all of these scripts. Take a look at this one, right? These are all best-selling scripts. There's like multiple pages of this. You can filter it by different categories, countdowns. There's going to be also like some kind of apps where you can, appointments, do appointments, lots and lots of things that you can do. Help and support forms, lots of interesting things. And so it really depends on your imagination. I gave you two solid ideas, which is the instant domain search. And I don't really care if you go out and just copy what I'm doing right now. The more people do it, the more money we're going to make, the happier we're going to be. I'm perfectly cool with people going out and doing that. But you can also do something with SEO, right? So here's a tool with SEO. And then you can redirect them to somewhere like SEMrush that has a very, very generous affiliate program. All right, guys. So I really hope you've gotten value from this video. I have not seen anybody else talking about this. This is a really, really advanced method. And so I definitely urge you to look into this method, to go out and maybe find a tool that does something and see if you can utilize some of the techniques that I talked about in this video. All right, guys. So I really hope you've gotten value here. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see other videos such as this one, ideas with affiliate marketing, etc., etc. And so thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new method.